Hey everyone, welcome to nnutrifresh. Today I am going to tell you all how to make tandoori chicken samosas. So let's start. Firstly, I took leftover tandoori chicken, 1 cup, half cup of chopped bell pepper, 1 tablespoon of green chilies, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 1 cup of corn, 20 grams of cream cheese, salt 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Mix that together. These samosas are really quick to make and they only take you 20 minutes. And you can even serve it to your guests in Ramadan. Comment down below how your Ramadan is going. Alright, once that's done, I'm going to place it aside and take some samosa sheets. I'm going to fold them in the manner shown and place the filling that we prepared earlier inside it. Once that's done, I'm going to fold it again and apply some slurry. For those of you who don't know what slurry is, it's basically more water and less flour. So if you take 2 tablespoons of flour, you're going to take double the water. That is 4 tablespoons of water. I'm going to prepare all my samosas and I'm going to start by frying them. Okay, I'm going to deep fry my samosas until the color changes to golden brown. These are actually my favorite samosas. Serve and enjoy. If you all like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification button, follow my socials, and don't forget to visit my website. Hope you all will have a great day. We'll see you all in the next video. Bye.